was a hassle opening the door there. Now we're back at Haymarket. Right, time to head up the escalator. Departing out now was our train, the 1527. ScotRail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Edinburgh Waverley. Works by 385123 and 385107. And there goes our train away into the distance. The next stop for that one's Edinburgh Waverley. Alright, we're just through the barrier now, and now we're going to head to get the bus or tram home. Alright guys, so we just ran. I just saw 12 just coming. I just stopped at the bus stop and happily waited for us. It's bus 43, it's a Volvo 7900 that we're on, and this will take us all the way to Broomhall Gardens, my closest bus stop, which is very good and we're very lucky.